Dullbedsitblogger 24 in 24, Part 3. Dullbedsitblogger 24 in 24, Part 3. Dullbedsitblogger 24 in 24.
Hello, Dullbedsitblogger here, and this is going to be the first one that I'm going to film and edit on my iPad mini. I just thought it might be good, give the computer a bit of a breathing space. We all like a bit of breathing space. Anyway, get on with it. This is number 4. Yes, number 4. What's this one? Okay. Oh, right. So this is from my good friend Damien, and he says I've got to do a cookery show. Let me get my head thinking around that. So, yes, this is my cooking station, and as you can see I've set it up as a possible music making station because I might need to make some music in this 24 in 24. So I've got keep things simple, and oh, look at this. Padron peppers. I wonder how you cook them in my dirty wok. So there you have it. I've just wiped out the rust that was in my wok from where bits of water have been sitting in it, and I'm going to cook Padron peppers, a very lovely cheeky little snack you can make very easily. So right, you need to put the merest hint of olive oil in your pan. Don't need lots, it's almost dry frying them. And I'm just letting that heat up a little bit before I chuck the Padron on. You can see it's slightly smoking there, that's good. Okay, just chuck them in whole like that. The great thing about these Padron is, 1 in 30 is quite hot. The rest, they're not too bad. So here we have, I have burnt them a little bit. I was trying to multitask too much. And then you've got to add some sea salt. Where's the hole? Add some sea salt. Okay, and I'll put them in a bowl and I'll give them a taste test. So here we have my little bowl of Spanish Padron. Bit of salt, lightly dry fried until they've got little blisters, and very tasty, a really good snack. Only 1 in 30 is hot. And here's a little trick for you. If you just bite the end isn't going to be as hot as the stalk end. So you can give it a bit of a test run and think, is that a hot one? If you're a bit of a wuss. Very tasty. And quite excitingly, this is my Spanish Padron plant, which has just in the last couple of days come into flower, which is very exciting. I'm going to hopefully get a nice few on there. There's quite a few buds on there, so fingers crossed I should have my own. I won't have to go to Waitrose to buy them. Oh, Very exciting. And these will be a bit hotter. Yee! Anyway, that's my cooking show over and done. Bye bye.